always when I start to film. Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to start with the partition wall and the upper head cabinet. This is the panel for the partition wall. It's 10mm plywood. I know it's thin, but then it will be stronger. You will see. I already have here a piece of this is like those cardboard material. It's not really cardboard, but it's the cheap stuff that you can use to make templates. I'm gonna use that to make a template for this part right here, which is the most important, because I will see the edge of the wood here. On this side it's covered from the wall, so it doesn't need to be so precise. So yeah, as you can see, the roof it's finished from the previous videos. I did all these parts right here and over there, and I left it open, this area, because of the wall. So let's start with making templates. This video will be probably split in two parts because it's a long one. You will see in the description. Just screw in with some self-tapping screw this piece of plywood. It's a little strip of 10mm plywood. I make a notch here to accommodate this middle beam, and it sits on the metal like this one on the other side. So now when I put the other big plywood panel, I can screw it into this one, and it will sit flush from this soft insulation cushion here to this straight, and then it's bent because this part right here it's a little bit bent, it's not straight. Okay, so I put two pieces here just to support the two angles, and then so I have one big support here, one each on each corner on the back, and here in the middle. Now I can put a little bit of insulation underneath, over here the ceiling of the cab, the soft one, and then with some glue, spray glue, something up here, and then I need to fill all this cavity on the back, on the sides, here and there, and then I'm ready to put the floor in, screw it down, and then I will do the sides. I just removed those screws that are holding with this plastic nut the original storage shell, plastic, whatever. Okay, just screw the panel into the plywood strip that I attached yesterday, basically. Well, the side panels are in place with some screws and a piece of wood behind. A little bit of spray foam on this side because there was enough space for a piece of wood. And this one I put wood on top and on the bottom, and this very strong. You wonder why I left all this space? Well, you will see in the future. The inside of this cabinet will be covered all the way around with Armacell, Armaflex, whatever. Yeah. So then, with this reference here, I can then make the partition wall. That's the plan. Let me finish with this insulation, and then I think I'm done here. I don't know how many times I say this, and then I still have something to do, but we'll see.